This is the water heaters video, and obviously one of them is leaking. One of the temperature pressure relief valves is leaking. I don't know which one it is because I do not open these valves. It probably won't close. We've got two water heaters in tandem. I don't know what size they are, so I'm just gonna, use the go-to 50 gallons. I don't know what age they are, so I am going to go original to the house. I could be wrong, but I have some reasons to suspect that, is that we do not have sediment traps installed on the gas lines. They both look pretty much original. They're electronic, so we can't see what's going on inside. We've got safety pans. Ventilation. I'm looking for ventilation here, and I'm just not seeing any ventilation outside of what air can escape around these doors. So I don't think that it's properly ventilated. The water supply line coming into the water heater, the main water heater, they're in tandem. Okay, so it does not have an escutcheon plate. Alright, it's good that we got our main shut-off valves. That's a good thing. I'm not seeing a main. A lot of times over here is where you'll find, especially when the meter is so close and the load centers are so close, this is where you'd find the electrical system bonded, but I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that. So, I guess we got, two older 50-gallon water heaters in tandem. We do not have care and use manuals for them. We do not have sediment traps. So now, and one of them, I don't know which one is leaking. I might be able to tell. That's interesting. You put these blankets around the water heater. You really don't need these. The water heaters are insulated anyway. So now coming along here, and you feel that? That's nice and hot. That's not insulated. This is supposed to be insulated. Those are supposed to be insulated too, by the way. Those are supposed to be insulated too. But this is supposed to be insulated. This isn't supposed to be insulated. So somebody's got a good idea, but it's not necessary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got more than 5 90-degree bends. It's supposed to be insulated. Feels nice and hot. These are supposed to be replaced every 3 years. The electronic ignition prohibits us from being able to see the condition of the burner compartments. Okay, the sacrificial anodes that go in are supposed to be replaced about every 3 years. That's beyond what home inspectors do, or required to do. Let's see what we got going up here. And I'm not really seeing much in the way of dielectric unions. That draft hood could be installed a little more level. So what do we learn? We learn, we do have an escutcheon plate. Excuse me. What did we learn? We learned that our temperature pressure relief drain lines valves are not insulated and one of them is leaking. We learned that we have more than 5 90-degree bends on the water heater discharge parts. We learned that we do not have sediment traps and care and use manuals. And we also learned that the air ventilation for these systems, for the water heater system, is very questionable.